All right, we're gonna try and put a front plate on this Jaguar F-Type, and I hate to do it because the car's pretty, but the state's gonna require it. So looks like a quick, easy, simple installation. So let's see how quick we can do this. It's real windy, so I may have to talk over this a little bit later, but should be quick. Let's see what we got. All right, here's the simple tools. Torx 30 socket, 10 millimeter socket, 10 millimeter wrench, 7 millimeter wrench, the hardware, the bracket, obviously, and let's see what we can do. All right, that was pretty damn quick actually. I mean, it took twice as long because I did the test fit, but for the most part, it's on there. It doesn't look fantastic, but that's what the state requires, so that's what we do. Okay, just in time because it's starting to rain. Doesn't look amazing on the front of the car, but I also don't think it creates much more of a clearance issue than the original Valance. So that's it. Doesn't look beautiful, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching.